नित्यानन्देश्वर परमशिवसमारम्भाम् नित्यानन्देश्वरि पराशक्तिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. I welcome you all with my love and respects. I welcome all the visitors, viewers, Sarvanyapeta Yajamans, Kartas, Shri Mahants, Mahants, Tanidar Kotari, devotees, disciples, Kayakalpa Yoga participants, Nityananda Yogam, students, Nityananda Hindu University students, Nityananda E-Gurukul students, and everyone watching live on Nityananda TV, YouTube Live, Facebook Live, Enlighten App, Kailasa TV, Hinduism Now TV, and two-way video conferencing having Nayana Diksha. I welcome all of you with my love and respect. Paramashiva's message directly from Sri Kailasa. Power manifestation is direct way to connect with Sri Kailasa. Every time you decide consciously to manifest powers, even if it does not manifest as you want immediately, you establish the connection with Sri Kailasa and it becomes tapas, spiritual practice every time. Listen, the seeds you sow, if you put 100 seeds, 9 may sprout, the remaining 10 does not go waste, that 10 becomes manure. 100 times you declare oneness with will persistence and decide to manifest powers. 90 times you may manifest, and 10 times even if you don't manifest, that becomes tapas but never goes waste. Like a seed sown never goes waste. Either it becomes tree or it becomes manure. Every time you decide to manifest powers, either you manifest or your attempt, will persistence becomes tapas. Understand? Understand one more thing. Today, I'm going to make sure you are all raised to a high frequency where every time I declare something from the Kailasa, Sri Kailasa, the powerful cognition, it becomes just part of you. Understand? I tell you one thing. If you really want the power manifestation signs to become reality in you and want to manifest all powers, the moment I declare, this is the powerful cognition, hold this, you will manifest this power. Immediately, if you want to manifest without gap, I give you one powerful technique. Read Autobiography of the Avatar. Because my life is really my most secret message. Understand? My satsang is the message for all the people who are part of my public life. My life is the real message, gift I give it to everyone who wants to become part of my intimate life, personal life. Understand? Read autobiography of the Avatar. Today, I am launching the website formally, officially, and worldwide web television. Today, internet TV is launched, autobiography of the Avatar.org/TV. This web television, with the grace of Paramashiva, I am launching this to the whole world. It is the web television through which the huge amount of material related to my life, my own description of various things happened in my life in multi-dimension. Which I have revealed at various times. Last 20 years of my public life from 2000. Whatever is collected and preserved is getting shared. Spend time in this autobiography of the Avatar Facebook, web TV. We are also making a Twitter page, Facebook profile and Facebook page, and Instagram, everything. Read, spend time on autobiography of the Avatar. You will understand how the powerful cognition I reveal, how to manifest it immediately. Understand? This is the most powerful technique. Most powerful technique. Because when you read my life, you literally live me. If you read, listen how I lived with Arunagiri Yogeshwara, you can literally experience the same with me. Whatever I experienced with Arunagiri Yogeshwara, even if you hear, listen, you will go through the same with me. That is why I tell you, reading or listening about my tapas is you doing tapas. Understand? My tapas is not inspiration for you to do tapas. It is initiation. Understand? I have not done tapas for myself. I have done it for you. So, when you listen to my tapas, it is not inspiration for you to do tapas. Just listen. That is initiation. It is equivalent to you doing the tapas. If you listen, hear, read about my panchatapas, it is equivalent to you doing that panchatapas. If you listen, hear, read, cherish, cognize how I lived with Arunagiri Yogeshwara, it is not just an inspiration to get a guru and have that same experience. It is initiation. You will be having the same experience with me literally in your inner space. Reading an enlightened master's biography is inspiration. Reading autobiography of the Avatar is initiation. Understand? Reading autobiography or biography of an enlightened being is initiation. Sorry, it is inspiration. Reading biography or autobiography of an enlightened being is an inspiration. Reading biography or autobiography of an incarnation, of an avatar, is initiation, not just inspiration. Understand? Today I am going to explain the fourth word, axiology. I was talking about 4 words in last 4 days satsang: ontology, eschatology, epistemology, axiology. Axiology of Paramashiva Jnana is power manifestation. Axiology means the branch of philosophy dealing with values, ethics, aesthetics of religion. Listen. Values, ethics, aesthetics, art, science. The core axiology of Paramashiva Jnana is power manifestation. I tell you, power manifestation is something unique to Siddhanta Saivam. It is very unfortunate the Siddhanta Saivam has been attacked so much. By anti-Hindu forces, because that is the most powerful core of Hinduism. Understand? If Kashmiri Saivism is the intellectual treat for the world given by Hindus, Siddhanta Saivism is the most powerful foundation of Hinduism. Understand? That is why the anti-Hindu forces attacked this too. The Kashmiri Shaivism and Kanchi Shaivism. Kanchi Kailasa Parampara and Kashmira Kailasa Parampara. Kashmira Sarvanya Pitam and Shyamala Pita Sarvanya Pitam. Shyamala Pita Sarvanya Pitam is Madurai, and Sharada Sarvanya Pitam is Kashmir. This too was attacked terribly by the anti-Hindu forces because of one reason. The Kashmir Shaivism is the most powerful, intellectually satisfying feast, and Siddhanta Saivam, the Shyamala Pita Sarvanya Pitam, is the most powerful foundation of Hinduism. Understand? Listen. Listen intensely. If you had even little understanding about Siddhanta Saivam, Suddhatvaita Saivam, Pazhaya Saivam Parakkave. Vedaneri Thalaithonga Migusaiva Thurai Vilanga. The great science of Shaktipada and Shaktinipada. Just by Shaktinipada, you can be given straight experience of Kailasa. The system is such powerful system. I tell you, I am born and brought up in a Shaivite family, Adi Shaivite family. Adi Saiva Velalar, Tondai Mandala Adi Saiva Velalar family. The time I remembered me, from that time I am hearing about Sivajnana Bodham. Siddhanta Shastrangal, Meganta Shattiram. All these words. I have seen at least 50 different versions of Sivajnana Bodham before I was 5 years old. And it's not that I have read. I don't want to say I have read. I have seen. Means that is the ambience in which I was born and brought up. The people who inspired me. The first thing I was taught is Siddhanta Saivam. But still, I have not revealed many things about the Siddhanta Saivam because it needs very highly qualified. I am evolving all of you. To reveal those great, powerful cognitions and transmit those initiations. Understand, I tell you. Just if you understand the Shakti Pada and Shaktini Pada and start power manifestation lifestyle, just first thing will happen. You will not have any panic attack. You will have only powerfulness attack. It should not be called as attack, like a powerfulness explosion. Sometimes I get these messages in the Facebook. People put comments, Swamiji, again and again I fall in love with you. So again and again you will fall in love with Paramashiva. That is power manifestation. Every time when you manifest powers, you will fall in love with Paramashiva once more. You'll feel like, oh God, once more I am in love with you, Swamiji. Once more I have fallen for you. That is exactly power manifestation. In power manifestation, again and again you fall in love with Paramashiva. You fall for Paramashiva. And I tell you, nothing will be left in you untouched by Paramashiva. Even your DNA will become different. I tell you. When you inhale and exhale, that air you exhale will have so much power and vibration of Paramashiva. Your breathing space will radiate him. Your blood, bone marrow, DNA, the air you exhale will vibrate Paramashiva. Decide, my disciple cannot have anxiety attacks. My disciple cannot feel stuck. My disciple can only do power manifestation and constantly falling in love with Paramashiva again and again with life with Guru. It's all one and the same. What do you feel about your life? You will feel the same with Paramashiva. You will feel the same with me. That is why when you have a problem with your boss, I have to, oh God, I have to attend to this first. I don't know what will this girl think now. I have to take care of her. If she gets into incompletion. Understand? What you feel with life is what you will feel with Paramashiva, and that same thing you will feel with me. Whether your business or career or profession or anything in life. Life is nothing but breathing space of Paramashiva. That's it. Especially once you are initiated and you are integrated to initiation, you live in breathing space of Paramashiva. You live in breathing space of Paramashiva. I tell you. Nothing can shake your being. Nothing can move your being. If you decide power manifestation as a lifestyle, understand one thing. Just one exhale from Paramashiva, he produces millions of Sarabeshwaras, and one exhale from Sarabeshwara, he produces millions of Kalabhairavas, and one exhale from Kalabhairava, all your enemies will be destroyed, and all the problems in your life will be destroyed. All negativity will be destroyed. Understand? Listen, one exhale from Paramashiva, thousands of Sarabeshwaras. One exhaling from Sarabeshwara, thousands of Kalabhairavas. One exhaling from Kalabhairava, or one from Kalabhairava. That's it. All the negativity in your life is destroyed. Understand, my disciples cannot have anxiety attack. My disciples will not have anxiety attack. I am there with you. I tell you a very simple thing. If you feel like you are having anxiety attack, just stop eating that day. Don't eat. I'll take care. Then you will understand this whole anxiety attack is only simple chemical. It is not factual reality. Understand? Whether, see, make this eating as a very difficult thing for yourself. There is no excuse for eating. Don't give excuses. Oh, I may get gas, I may have acidity problem. 100 times more people have died by eating and obesity related disorders, overeating related disorders than people without eating. That's the truth. Go on Google. Go on Google. Do your own research. 1,000 times more number of people have died by overeating. I am not saying don't nourish your body. Nourish your body with the liquids like juices. Hydrate, nourish. Take very nutritious juices. Because the difference is too big between juicing and eating. It is like almost different frequency. The system is kept. With juicing, the frequency is absolutely different, and with eating, the frequency is completely different. Listen carefully. My disciple cannot have anxiety attack. He can only have Kundalini awakening. He can only have experience of love, experience of Kundalini. Understand? Snake I am wearing today is Kundalini only. Kundalini is in the form of this snake, Rudraksha snake, Rudrakshanaha. Rudrakshanaha Raja. Listen. Power manifestation is too simple and really too powerful and too useful for your day-to-day life. It's a most useful spiritual practice. It is intense prayer, intense Advaitic oneness, intense yogic samyama, and intense Shaktipada and Shaktinipada. All put together I have given as one method, power manifestation. Just three things. Listen, Paramashiva is inside you, cognize it. And he is endless resource. And he is waiting to manifest for you. And you just need to connect with him, declare your integrity to him, and make Satya Sankalpa. That's it. That's it. Just watch few satsangs related to power manifestation. See how I had initiation from Arunagiri Yogeshwara, from Nerur Sadasiva Brahmendral, from Mahavatar Babaji. All those stories, just read. How I had initiation from Annamalai Swamigal, Isakki Swamigal, Raghupati Yogi. Read all these stories. Every line will give you a deep understanding about this whole science. Axiology of Paramashiva Jnana is autobiography of the avatar. Understand? Ontology of Paramashiva Jnana is Nitya Satsang. Every day, Nityananda tea. Axiology of Paramashiva Jnana and Vijnana is autobiography of the avatar. If you read how I had initiation from my masters, you will simply have initiation. You will simply have initiation. Nothing is more powerful than power manifestation science. Nothing is more powerful than power manifestation science. Power manifestation science in life is the most enlightening, most exciting, most inspiring spiritual practice. When you decide to manifest powers again and again and again, you know Paramashiva is within you and he is manifesting. You fall in love with Paramashiva every minute. Understand? If he manifests, you know he is real and he is manifesting. Even if you don't manifest what you declared, you will manifest the jnana and vijnana, knowledge and understanding, why it is not manifesting as you want, why it is manifesting much better way than you want, as Paramashiva want. That's the beauty. Sometimes Paramashiva gives you as you want. Sometimes when he is too much in love with you, he gives you as he wants. And he makes sure you understand this is what he wants. So this is the best for you. Bestest for you. Axiology, the branch of philosophy dealing with values as those of ethics, aesthetics or religion. Axiology of Paramashiva Jnana is power manifestation science. It is just power manifestation science. Ontology, eschatology, epistemology, axiology. I am trying to map the Paramashiva Jnana to these four major classification and presenting it in every level to all of you. Most of the time, if you remain in Santa Swarupa space, you will understand why Paramashiva did not manifest as you want, but manifested as he wants. Because he is greater planner than you. He is higher intelligence than you. Whether you manifest as you want or you manifest as he wants, power manifestation is the best way to connect with Paramashiva, talk to Paramashiva, level by level, raise and become one already. Achieve the oneness, which is the case already. Understand? The spiritual practice always starts with duality, then evolves to little Visishtadvaita, then evolves into levels of Advaita, ultimately Shuddhadvaita. Shuddhadvaita becomes your reality through power manifestation, step by step by step. We'll have today a real power manifestation session. Really making all of you to manifest powers as you want, life as you want. After a break, we'll start the power manifestation session today. I'm going to be doing power manifestation session literally for all of you today. Listen. This is specially for my disciples and devotees. I'm already in a very high samadhi because I'm working on Prana Pratishtha for Biddi Kumbhabhishekam. See, Biddi, we are going to change the Avudayar, the base of the Swayambhulinga. Swayambhulinga cannot be changed. That is the Moola Murti. That cannot be changed. Even if you build a golden temple, the main deity cannot be changed. The Swayam Moolavar, Swayambhu cannot be changed. That is the Paramashiva's form. But the Avudayar, the base, we are changing. So the base need to be energized. The Prana Pratishtha need to happen. So already I am in high samadhi for that Prana Pratishtha process. So the energy, the process now, mandala process now is going to be literally like energy darshan for every individual. Understand? So pick up your Atmalinga, keep it on your third eye. You will experience literally energy darshan now. Pick up your Atmalinga, keep it on your third eye. Listen to this cognition intensely. Paramashiva is inside you now. Is powerfully waking up in you. With the grace of Paramashiva, I'll connect all of us to Paramashiva and Paramashiva will wake up in us intensely. By the grace of Paramashiva, let Paramashiva manifest through me, through this being, explode. In all of us. Let all of us be connected to Paramashiva intensely. Experience Paramashiva. Let all of us be connected to Sri Kailasa intensely. Paramashivoham.
கருணார்ணவமாய் கருதக்கதினல்கும் அருணாச்சல சிவமேதா. சிவன் இதய பதியாமொரு மருமத்தலம் பதியாமவன் அதிலே பதிவானொளி மலையாய் நிதம் அருணாச்சலமெனவே. ஆதி அருணாச்சல பேரற்புதலிங்கத்துருக்குள் ஆதிநாள் மார்கழியில் ஆதிரை அஜோதி எழும் ஈசனை மால் முன்னமரர் ஏற்றி வழிபட்ட நாள் மாசி சிவராத்திரி அம்மற்று. கிரியாக தங்களருளால் உலகம் தாங்குவதற்கன்றி இங்குறைவன் சித்தனென என்றும் எனதுள்ளே பொங்கி ஒளிரும் புகைப்பல் போகமொடு என்றுள்ளே. எல்லா உலகும் தகையவியலால் புல்லாவினைகள் குணமாம் புகலீது இல்லாததுவாம் எது கண்ணுறலால் எல்லாரருணாச்சலமாம் இதுவே எல்லாரருணாச்சலமாம் இதுவே. தெரியல்லை உற்று கண்ணுற்றால் கருத்தினால் தூர கருதினாலுமே வருத்தமுறாது வராத வேதாந்த அறுத்த விஞ்ஞானம் ஆர்க்கும் உண்டாமே அறுத்த விஞ்ஞானம் ஆர்க்கும் உண்டாமே. யோசனை மூன்றாம் இத்தலவாசற்கு ஆசருதி கையாதியின்றியுமின் பாசமில் சாயுச்சியம் பயக்கும் மே ஈசனாம் என்றன் ஆணையினானே ஈசனாம் என்றன் ஆணையினானே.
இருப்பிடம் இத்தலம் தான் ஒன்றுவார் பிறக்கின்னாமுன் உண்மையர் பன்னோய் புன்னி ஒன்று ராது ஒழியும் தீயோர் முரண் ஒரு கணத்திங்கங்கி குன்று அருணை ஈசன் கோபமெந்தழல் விழாதே குன்று அருணை ஈசன் கோபமெந்தழல் விழாதே குன்று அருணை ஈசன்
जय जय गंगाधरा हर शिवा जय गिरिजदिसा शिव जय गौरीनादा त्वामा पलय नित्यं त्वामा पलय शम्भो कृपाय जतिगिसा ओम हर 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 महा
Keep the Atmalinga on your Sahasrara chakra now and hold it with both the hands. Keep the Atmalinga on your Sahasrara chakra. Hold with both the hands. Kundalini explode in Sahasrara chakra. Kundalini manifest in every being with the grace of Paramashiva. Let Paramashiva manifest in all of us.
கண்ணலகா செந்தூர பொட்டலகா நீலமேனி காரணையா கைலாசமாட்சி செய்யும் ஆதி சங்கரனீஸ்வரனையா சண்ட பிரச்சண்ட ருத்ரனையா வீசும் காற்றே உன்ன சிவா உலகே உந்தன் திருவுருவா சூரிய ஒளியே உன் விழியா பூமிய உந்தன் திருவடியா ஓ மரவோ 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 மலையா அண்ணாமலையே சிவமலையா கோபம் கொன்றால் எரிமலையா கருணை என்றால் பனிமலையா ஓ மரவோ 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 நெத்தி பொட்டு சிவக்கு தையா சம்போ ஈஸ்வரா ஒந்தன் சடவிரித்து ஆடுமையா சம்போ ஈஸ்வரா சாட்ட வீசு சத்தம் கேக்குது சம்போ ஈஸ்வராதி சிவனின் அம்சமாகிய ஜடாமுனீஸ்வரா சம்போ சம்போ ஈஸ்வரா சம்போ ஜடாமுனீஸ்வரா சம்போ சம்போ ஈஸ்வரா சம்போ மகேஸ்வரா சம்போ சம்போ ஈஸ்வரா சம்போ ஜடாமுனீஸ்வரா சம்போ சம்போ ஈஸ்வரா சம்போ பரமேஸ்வரா ருத்ராய சர்வாய வீராய கோராய ரௌத்ராய பிரம்மாய நம சிவாய சண்டாய சூராய பீமாய கோராய ரௌத்ராய பிரம்மாய நம சிவாய தெய்வகம் ஜாமஹே பரவுரம் பரவுருவாக பரவுரு ஸ்ரீயமாகால் தெய்வகம் ஜாமஹே பரவுரம் பரவுருவாக பரவுரு ஸ்ரீயமாகால்
अंबानुपुर रत्न कंकण धरी केयूर हारावळी जाती चंपक वैजयंती हरी त्रैवेय त्रैराजिता वीणा वेणु विनोद मंडित करा वीरासने संस्थिता चित्रोपे वरदेवता भगवती श्रीराज राजेश्वरी अंबारोधिनी भद्रकाली वदनज्वाला मुखे वैष्णवी ब्रह्माणि त्रिपुरान्तके सुरनुता हे दीप्यमानोज्ज्वला चामुण्डशिखरवृक्षपोषजननी दाक्षायणी पल्लवी चित्रोपे वरदेवता भगवती श्रीराजराजेश्वरी
ढेर में जो ढेर मुर्दा पेड़ों का सुलग गया झुलस गया लो ज्वाला ज्वाला आग है काट ही के ढेर में वो ढेर जीव जन्म का लो जल गया धुआं हुआ लो स्वाहा स्वाहा राख है डमरुओं को डमडमाता कूद नाचे बुद्ध बुद्ध डमरुओं को डमडमाता कूद नाचे बुद्ध बुद्ध मस्तकों में माया माया चटचटकती खटखटकती भटभटकती नाचती छातियों में त्राही त्राही धनधनकती झंझनकती सुलगती त्रासदी योजनाएं यम बनाता कान दौड़े तमतमाता अंतरिक्ष सब समय के डमरुओं को डमडमाता
चमके सितारे देखो हमारे शत्रु तो सारे हारे जय हो हम वो सिपाही जो है सदा ही रूप शिवा का धारे जय हो आज अंधेरे छटे हैं कम हुए हैं घटे हैं कल जो दुश्मन यहाँ थे आज पीछे हटे हैं गाती ये है गाता ये अंबर है गाती है सारी हवा तेरे मन में शिवा मेरे मन में शिवा सांसों में शिवा प्राणों में शिवा हर घड़ी में शिवा हर दिशा में शिवा आज गुंजा हुआ है जय जय शिवा तेरे मन में शिवा मेरे मन में शिवा सांसों में शिवा प्राणों में शिवा हर घड़ी में शिवा हर दिशा में शिवा आज गुंजा हुआ है जय जय शिवा तेरे मन में शिवा सारी दीवारें भी सारी तलवारें भी तुमने दुश्मन की अब तोड़ दी है आई थी आंधियां जिस दिशा से यहाँ उस दिशा मोड़ती है जीतना था हमें हारना था उन्हें ये तो होना ही था सुन ले भाऊ पल है कहता समय है सदा, तेरे मन में शिवा,
मेरे मन में शिवा,
सांसों में शिवा,
प्राणों में शिवा,
हर घड़ी में शिवा,
हर दिशा में शिवा,
आज गूंजा हुआ है जय जय शिवा। तेरे मन में शिवा,
मेरे मन में शिवा,
सांसों में शिवा,
प्राणों में शिवा,
हर घड़ी में शिवा,
हर दिशा में शिवा,
आज गूंजा हुआ है
जय जय शिवा, तेरे मन में शिवा।
ओम नित्यानंद परम शिवोहम. Let's all start manifesting powers. It's going to be extraordinary, intense power manifestation now. Get ready for the power manifestation. Now, with this I bless you all. Let's all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, causing, living Shuddhatvaita Saivam. Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. The eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you. Be blissful.